Hello students, welcome to Crack Grade B online learning platform. Today in this video lecture, we are going to discuss 5 most important MCQs for SEBI Grade A exam. As a new year gift, we have already published this information that we are providing 5 mock tests for all SEBI aspirants, SEBI Grade A aspirants, and you can register at our website, verify your email, and then you can subscribe the free mock test from courses menu under which free study material tab is there, under which SEBI paper 2 mock test is there. You have to subscribe it at zero cost. After that you can check your mock test under my courses section that is available in your profile. Some students are not able to find mock tests, then they can do one thing, log in again after the subscription, and then my courses section option will be there under your profile pic, below your profile pic. In mobile also you can easily see this tab under your profile pic, that my courses tab is there, not courses, my courses tab is there. You can see the mock test there. So first question, forward market commission was merged with SEBI in which year? So option is 1995, 2001, 2005, 2007 and 2015. So 2015 is the right answer. So Forward Market Commission, headquartered in Mumbai. FMC was a regulatory authority for commodity futures market in India. FMC was a legal body set up under Forward Control Regulation Act 1952. Forward Market Commission regulated commodities market since its establishment in 1953. By Finance Act 2015, FMC was merged with SEBI on 28 September 2015. Since then, SEBI is regulating the commodity future market in India. Second question, an investor may lodge a complaint on scores within how many years from the date of the cause of complaint? You may be aware about this score, SEBI complaint readers system. So question is, an investor may lodge a complaint on score within how many years from the date of cause of complaint? 1, 3, 5, 7. 3 years is the right answer. So score is an online platform designed to help investors to lodge their complaints pertaining to security market online with SEBI against listed companies and SEBI registered intermediaries. All complaints received by SEBI against listed companies and SEBI registered intermediaries are dealt through scores. That is mandatory. You have to, all complaints will be uh, raised through score platform only. And an investor may lodge a complaint on score within 3 years from the date of cause of complaint, and concerned entity has to send a response to the investor directly within 30 days. So complaint rising out of the issue that are covered under SEBI Act 1992, Securities Contract Regulation Act 1956, Depository Act 1996, rules and regulation made thereunder, and the relevant provision of the Companies Act. So third question, any person aggrieved by any decision or order of the Security Appellate Tribunal may file an appeal to the Supreme Court within how many days from the date of the communication of the decision or order of the Security Appellate. So you may be aware about the Securities Appellate Tribunal. So 7, 15, 30, 60 is what is the right answer? 60 is the right answer. So you may be aware about the Security Appellate Tribunal. Any person can appeal in the Securities Appellate Tribunal if he or she is affected from the decision of or any rule of SEBI, IRDA, PFRDA. So he can approach to Security Appellate Tribunal. After that, if Security Appellate Tribunal has given some decision, he or any organization or any entity is not satisfied with this decision, so they can approach to Supreme Court within 60 days from the date of the communication of the decision, and appeal that can be filed with SAT, Security Appellate Tribunal, within a period of 45 days from the date on which a copy of the order made by the SEBI. Means any decision of SEBI, any decision of IRDA or any PFRDA decision is, if you are not satisfied, any entity or any person is not satisfied, then he can file with this SAT, then he can approach, means he can file appeal with the SAT within 45 days. So UPSI stands for. So you may have heard this word UPSI. It's very important. Last year in SEBI exam, last SEBI exam, it was asked. So unpublished price sensitive information, unpublished price share information, unauthorized price sensitive information, unpublished price subscriber information. So right answer is first one, unpublished price sensitive information. It is related to the insider trading, if you have heard about that. So unpublished price sensitive information means any information relating to a company or its securities directly or indirectly that is not generally available, which upon become generally available is likely to materially affect the price of securities and sell ordinarily, including but not restricted to information relating to the followings, means financial results, dividends, change in capital structure, merger, demerger, acquisition, delisting, disposal and expansion of business and such other transaction, change in KMP, key managerial personnel and material events in accordance with the listing agreement. So these all are UPSI, means unpublished price sensitive information. These are not easily available with the shareholder of the company. So these are very sensitive information. These are not these cannot be leaked before their company. Every company has to submit such information to the SEBI, and before that they cannot disclose this information to any. So next question is, SEBI issued and notified the SEBI prohibition of insider trading regulation 2015 on 15 January 2015 based on the recommendation of which committee? N. Kesodi committee, UK Sinha committee, Bimal Jalan committee, C. Rangarajan committee, YV Reddy committee. So you may, those who have heard about this insider trading regulation and the committee, they can easily answer. The NK Sodi committee is the right answer. So insider trading you means is related to this. If someone is sharing this information, suppose you are a director in a company and you have this knowledge about then that financial result or any other unpublished price sensitive information, like you are a director in company and you came to know that company is going to bankrupt and your friend is having major shares in that company, then you can share that information to your friend, and that he will do, he will sell his shares, all shares. Otherwise, once company is declared bankrupt publicly, then all the shares price will be decreased, so he can get benefit from such information. There are many ways of insider trading. So the after the recommendation of this committee, NK-SOD committee, SEBI issued and notified the SEBI provision of insider trading regulation on 15th January 2015 based on the recommendation of the NK-SOD committee. So these are the important point with respect to SEBI. If it is not given in the syllabus, then you must be aware about these things which are related to SEBI, like Security Appellate Tribunal, Forward Market Commission, and insider trading, unpublished price sensitive information. These are the important things you have to remember. This is the our SEBI graded test series details. Test series for paper 2, we are providing 10 mock test will be there, 50 question in each mock test. Test series and MCQs course for paper 2 will be available at rupees 599 only. 10 mock test, 50 question in each topic wise MCQs, and total MCQs will be 2000 plus. Register website and you can subscribe the courses. And these are detail about our RBI Grade B course. It will cost you 2499. All content related to ESI including current affair, government scheme, mock, MCQs, everything will be there. Static part will be in a video format, and online PDFs related to current affair, government schemes will be there in the course, and it will cost you 2499 only. It is the most specific and most economical course. And paper 2 SEBI grade A course we are also providing video plus this is the combination of video plus online PDFs, MCQs, rupees 2000 you have to pay for this, and register the website www.crackgradeb.com, and so you can subscribe the courses. And till date in every exam 70 to 80% questions were directly covered from in our study material. So same thing will be hope will be repeated in future also. We are trying to cover more than 80% in upcoming exams. So these are our courses: RBI Grade B, SEBI Grade A, IRD Assistant Manager, NABARD Grade A and B, and FSA Technical Officer, Central Food Safety Officer, UPSC, PFO Enforcement Officer. So you can share this video to your friends, and also like our video, provide feedback, and you can mention your requirements. So which on which topic you want MCQs in our daily routine videos. So thank you and happy learning.